Hello friends, today we discuss the main important theorem related to Gram-Archimedes orthogonalization system. As we discussed in the previous topic about inner product space, so related to that, now this system and proposes says that when there is a basis for the finite dimensional inner product space, then we find an orthonormal basis, an orthonormal set of alpha 1 and up to alpha n for their given basis, where alpha 1 will be beta 1 upon norm of beta 1, alpha 2 will be gamma 2 upon norm of gamma 2. Now what can we say about gamma 2? Gamma 2 is nothing but beta 2 minus beta 2 alpha 1. This is the inner product of beta 2 and alpha 1 and with alpha 1. Similarly, alpha 3 will be gamma 3 upon norm of gamma 3, and gamma 3 will be find out by the formula beta 3 minus inner product of beta 3 alpha 1 with alpha 1 minus beta 3 alpha 2, their inner product, and also alpha 2. Similarly, when we find last, that is alpha n will be gamma n upon norm of gamma n, and it will be is equal to gamma n beta n minus inner product beta n alpha 1 with alpha 1 minus beta 2 alpha 2, and finally beta n alpha n minus 1 with alpha n minus 1. So this is the concept, this is the formula, as we can see. Look at the here. Now the main tools for defining here is number first is norm. Here norm of the factor if denoted as norm of alpha is under root alpha 1 and alpha, that is the inner product of alpha alpha and their square root. If alpha belongs to B3F, norm of alpha will be A1 square, A2 square, A3 square. As we have a standard inner product like that, alpha beta A1 B1 bar, A2 B2 bar, dot dot dot. So alpha alpha, that will be A1 A1 bar, A1 magnitude square, A2 magnitude square, AN magnitude square, as we discussed in the previous topic. And number 2 is orthonormal set. What is the orthonormal set? So any set in the inner product space will be orthogonal if we collect some topic, if we take any alpha is the member of the orthonormal set, implies the norm will be 1. And number 2 is when we take any 2 alpha beta is the member of S, implies that alpha beta, their inner product will be 0. As we can clearly understood when we discuss in the vector, any 2 vector will be perpendicular if their dot product is 0. So this is like that, the 2 vectors and their dot product will be 0. This is the concept for orthonormal set. Now find the orthonormal basis for the given basis 1 0 1, 1 0 minus 1 and 0 3 4. There are 3 basis elements of the basis are given. This is the beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3. Now first of all we have to find norm of inner product beta beta 1, then 1 bar, 0 bar and 1 bar. Since it is a real number, so their bar will be only 1 1, so 2, and their norm will be under root, that is under root 2. So first member alpha 1 will be beta 1 by norm of beta 1, it will be give 1 by root 2, 0 1 by root 2. So this is the first member. Considering about gamma 2, beta 2 minus beta 2 alpha 1 and alpha 1. So beta 2 alpha 1, beta 2 alpha 1, their inner product, this will be 0, and now their norm will be